Na-try nyo na ba to from Tevian? Totoo ba maganda to? Or mahapdi ba siya sa balat? Or mahapdi ba siya sa mata? Hey guys! So kakauwi ko lang from the factory here in Milan. So let's get unready with me. So ang ating oras ngayon is almost 9 PM in the evening. Pero tingnan nyo, maliwanag pa rin. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, maliwanag pa rin. Oh. Yan. Just to give you a reminder lang, kanina at 7 o'clock or 7:30, I put on this makeup without retouch. What I used earlier was only Luxel sunscreen serum ni Heart Evangelista and also concealer ng Teviant and the lip vinyl ng Hello Kitty ng Teviant. So right now, let's get unready. So I'm using the rinse-free moisturizing cleansing butter of Teviant. So kung hindi nyo pa na-try, ayan, nasa yellow basket ko na. So this one is a rinse-free, yes, like what it say. So it's a rinse-free talaga siya. Pero syempre, if you want to double cleanse, it's your option to do it. Pero if not, totally safe siya. Kasi me, myself, I'm having a very, very sensitive skin. So yung gagawin mo lang ay i-dispense mo lang siya. There, like that. And this amount is already enough. Kasi guys, yung ano niya, texture niya, hindi yung regular balm. So that's why we call it butter, because it's very, very soft. And when you touch it, it's melting on your hands talaga, and on your skin, it's really melting siya talaga, guys. So I purposely did not put powder or use the Silk Touch Perfecting Powder kanina, kahit nabaon ko. Masyadong busy ako kanina, nag-sign ng contract, check ng production sa factory. First day lang pa lang today, and then babalik ulit ako bukas and Monday. So it melts on your skin, it's very soft, and don't worry guys, it will not clog your pores. And at the same time guys, while you're massaging your skin, you're melting the makeup products, and also what it does also, it's moisturizing the skin right away. That's why it's rinse-free moisturizing cleansing butter. Especially perfect to kung nagmamamadali kayo, antok na antok, umuwi ng bahay, gusto nyo matulog, or like me today, I'm just going to melt this one and take a quick shower, and then I'm going to head out for dinner with some friends here in Milan. I-melt ko lang, i-make sure ko lahat nag-melt niya. Of course, you can use dry facial tissues or dry towels, or my case, para to double cleanse, I'm using a micellar wipes para double cleanse talaga siya. I'm not gonna rinse anymore because I like the effect of the moisturizing on the skin. Look at that, guys. Natanggal niya lahat. This, nalinis na, and this is with products pa. I'm going to do on the other side. Yan, nakita niyo yung discoloration ng mukha ko agad because ganun ka powerful this one to clean the makeup. Look at that, guys. Just to prove to you guys lang, this is the first wipes, okay? And then, tingnan natin, I'm gonna use a second wipes to show you guys kung paano ka-powerful and paano kalinis na siya agad-agad. Guys, tingnan mo. Ito na, yung second tissue compared to the first one. Look at that. Super, super powerful niya, and you feel fresh and moisturized right away yung skin nyo. Hindi yung masyadong dry, at hindi rin mahapdi sa balat, at hindi rin masakit sa mata. So, kung hindi nyo pa na-try this Tevian Rinse-Free Moisturizing Cleansing Butter, it's your time to try them na, guys. Especially if you're busy, always on the go, or always go home late, and antok na antok ka, or tamad ka mag-remove ng makeup. And this one makes your makeup removing steps fun, easy, and simple. And then, best, super linis and super hygienic yung dispenser niya. You can just wipe it off and linisin mo lang, and without contaminated the formula sa loob. Okay? And then, yan, nasa yellow basket ko na.